Best tips and advice for a strong long-distance marriage. Number 26. Stay transparent about finances. Be honest about the costs of maintaining the relationship. Number 27. Keep physical intimacy alive. Use creativity to maintain intimacy. Number 28. Practice active listening. Make sure your partner feels heard and understood. Number 29. Plan surprise visits. If possible, surprise your spouse with an unexpected visit. Number 30. Create countdown timers. Count down to your next reunion to build excitement. Number 31. Write letters. Handwritten letters can feel deeply personal and thoughtful. Number 32. Plan for downtime together. Read the same book or watch a movie together. Number 33. Create shared memories. Engage in activities you can both enjoy despite the distance. Number 34. Be patient. Long-distance marriages require patience and understanding. Number 35. Avoid assumptions. Always clarify instead of assuming your spouse's thoughts. Number 36. Stay flexible. Be adaptable when plans change. Number 37. Celebrate differences. Appreciate what makes your partner unique. Number 38. Encourage independence. Support your spouse's personal growth and ambitions. Number 39. Trust your gut. If something feels off, bring it up in a calm discussion. Number 40. Stay healthy. Physical and mental health impact your relationship. Number 41. Don't compare your relationship. Every marriage is different. Focus on what works for you. Number 42. Keep your routine. Maintaining your regular schedule can ease feelings of loneliness. Number 43. Plan for the long term. Discuss when and how you'll close the distance. Number 44. Be realistic about challenges. Acknowledge difficulties and work through them together. Number 45. Celebrate each other's successes. Celebrate your partner's achievements, no matter the distance. Number 46. Avoid jealousy. Trust is key in long-distance marriages. Avoid unnecessary suspicions. Number 47. Be there for important events. Attend major life events if possible. Number 48. Practice forgiveness. Let go of minor misunderstandings to keep the relationship healthy. Number 49. Be open about jealousy. Address feelings of jealousy constructively. Number 50. Stay grateful. Regularly express gratitude for your partner's efforts. If you know any more effective tips, let us know by commenting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.